folks, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year to yous. We're here to give this place a little bit of a going over. That'll give you some idea where we're at, especially over there in the distance. So let's get out onto the beach, do some hard yards, see if we can find anything. See you on the first hole. Well, folks, as you can see, the way around, I think it's the calm before the storm. I think we're at the bottom of the low tide, and it's around about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Not much is happening, even the gulls are taking it easy. So we might do to the end of the break wall there, or the sandbags, and see what treasures we can unearth today, and we'll leave it at that. So no luck so far, only a bit of foil, but we won't let that stop us. Okay, folks. That's our first real solid target. 8 to 10, fluctuating on 9. Might be an Aussie 5-cent piece. I'll get her out of the hole and out of that hole, folks, there, which is about 12 inches, comes still a 9 and 10 signal. We use the handheld, it's in here. That's it. Foiled again. Ship boy. It's a big bulk coal freighter. The FPMC B Harmony. Quite sure where it's from, but it's fairly motoring. I don't know, it's the best signal of the day. This massive hole, here comes a 21 signal. There you go. Oh, beauty. There's Goldie. 1994. When Lizzie? Aussie $1 kangaroo. Okay, that's promising. On to the next. Another signal. Right, folks, I've got this hole down to about a foot, so I'm going to get the probe out and try and locate it, because otherwise you're just digging deep holes in the sand for, you know, a bottle cap or something. That's not on. Anyway, we'll get you to look in there and see if you can see anything first, and put the probe in. Right, looking around the hole here, you can see there's something there that looks like a bit of an imprint, but I don't know. I'm thinking it might be a $2 coin, but I certainly can't see anything, so let's stick the probe in. Hello, something. There we go. Oh, another bottle cap. folks. Pretty good signal down in there. Let's get into it and see if we can pull out something nice. It seems to be reasonably high conducting. From that 10 to 12 inch hole over into here. 21 signal, might be $1, $2. See it? Yeah, I just seen it. There you go. Another $2. 1984. First year Aussie gold coin. Kangaroos. It's $2. Almost enough for a coffee. Look out there though, folks. Ooh, that's looking ominous. I'm gonna get wet as a shag, let me tell you. But we'll do up into the row here and we'll call it quits. Folks, all right. The rain is coming in. I think we'll have a quick wrap up. There you go, even old mate in the fishing gear's heading up in a hurry. He knows if we're going to get wet. Here she comes, folks. There's bucket. And hand it to you, folks. That's all we got for the loot today. $2. See you soon. There you have it, folks. Washing machine money. Yeah.